Today on The Blind Pig, my editor and I are going to try out Sunny D's new vodka seltzer. Hey everyone, welcome back once again to The Blind Pig. As always, I'm your host, Jason. Sunny D, or as it was called prior to 2003, Sunny Delight, was first introduced in 1963. Kids loved it because it tasted great, and parents bought it because it was marketed as a healthier alternative to soft drinks, despite not actually being healthier. It was even sold in refrigerated cabinets to make parents think it was more like orange juice. In March of 2003, they underwent an official name change from Sunny Delight to Sunny D, likely to help them move past a controversy that focused on them in 1999. A 4-year-old girl had her skin turn orange due to the product's use of beta-carotene for color after she was drinking an estimated 1.5 liters of Sunny Delight a day. Fast forward to today, and Sunny D has introduced a vodka seltzer. Available in 3 flavors, orange pineapple, orange strawberry, and the traditional tangy orange that we have here. Featuring 95 calories, 0 grams of sugar, and 4.5% alcohol, Sunny D Vodka Seltzer is available now nationally. We're here to give you our review. I'm actually going to bring in my editor, my wife, Danyelle, for this one. She's a much bigger fan of seltzer than I am. We'll see what she thinks. Frequent viewers of the channel and friends of mine might remember Danyelle, our editor. Danyelle.
Hey, everybody.
Now, Danyelle, I mentioned earlier that you're more of a seltzer fan. What seltzers do you normally like?
So I'm usually a black cherry flavor, and then probably White Claw or Bud Light seltzer.
Okay. Have you had Sunny D when you were a kid? You remember that?
Yeah, actually, I used to think Sunny D was orange juice, so it's clearly not. But excited to try these.
Okay. Well, like I said, that marketing worked. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. She guys got these beautiful new nails. I'm going to open it up for her and let her try it out and tell you what she thinks.
All right. Cheers.
That's my line, the cheers. You stole that one. Thoughts?
Seems like the Sunny D flavor I remember. No, like, bad aftertaste or anything. I think this might go in my regular seltzer.
Okay. Well, you heard it here first. A seltzer lover, a kid that grew up thinking Sunny D was a healthy drink, gives it her 2 thumbs up.
Yeah, I'll go 2 thumbs up.
Okay, 2 thumbs up. It was 1 thumb and a can, I'd say. 2 thumbs up from Danyelle, our editor. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Maybe we'll get Danyelle back on camera here for some future videos. Please like the video, subscribe, leave a comment below. We'll see you soon. Cheers. Today on The Blind Pig, we're going to try out Sunny D. What? Okay, good start.